The incredibly compact and lightweight Smacircle S1 electric bike comes in sizes that allow you to carry it in a backpack. Such transport turned out to be more than in demand. The campaign to raise funds for the serial production of a minibike on Indiegogo exceeded the target by more than 3 times. S1 from Smacircle received a light and strong frame made of carbon fiber. This allowed to create a vehicle weighing only 7 kilograms. But this did not affect its carrying capacity. The bike can be used by anyone weighing up to 100 kilograms. Thus the folding electric bike is capable to develop the maximum speed of 20 kilometers an hour, and to make it some simple actions are required. According to the manufacturer, the ergonomic design allows you to fit a miniature bike in a set width of 49 centimeters. Its design does not provide a pedal drive. Instead, the bike is equipped with an electric motor with a capacity of 240 watts. Without the help of human muscles on a single charge, S1 e-bike is able to cover a distance of up to 20 kilometers. It will be possible to fully replenish the battery power reserve in just 2.5 hours from a regular outlet.